Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems, and today I am going to show you how to make a shoelace cord. The yarn I'm using in this example is the Bernat Maker Big. It is a Jumbo 7, and I'm using this yarn just for sample purposes. If you're making a cord, you can use any size yarn that you're using. If you're making it for a bracelet, you may want to use a cotton yarn or an embroidery thread. For this example, you're going to need 2 strands of yarn and you're going to tie a slip knot. The gray is going to be our bottom strand and the red is going to be our top strand. So for this first stitch, you're going to go from front to back over that hook, and then for the top stitch, you're going to go back to front, yarn over with that top strand and pull through the slip knot and that strand that you had pulled over, which is the gray. So let's do that again. We're going to take the gray, we're going to go front to back, we're going to take the red, go back to front and pull through the 2 loops that are on your hook. So one more time, front to back, leaving 2 loops on your hook, back to front and pull through the 2 loops that are on the hook. And you are just going to continue this until you get to the length that you need for your cord. This makes a really cool looking cord. As you can see from the front, it just looks like 2 strands going together up one side and up the other. But if you take a look at the back, it actually makes a pretty cool pattern. So this is called, I believe, the shoelace stitch or cord, and it can be used, like I said, for many different things. This was a really short video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care, and check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also my Etsy shop. Take care.